Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we are looking at a vehicle that doesn't just compete in the crowded midsize SUV market, it aims to redefine what you should expect from it. We are talking about the 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander. If you have been following the trajectory of this nameplate, you know it has been on a journey of reinvention. But for 2026, Mitsubishi has stopped simply improving and started perfecting. This isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it is about the quality of the time you spend in between. When you approach the 2026 Outlander, the first thing that strikes you is the presence. It holds its ground with that signature dynamic shield grille, but there is a maturity to it now, a refinement in the lines that feels substantial, almost architectural. It doesn't look like a budget option, it looks like a flagship. And that feeling of substance is exactly what translates when you get behind the wheel and push the start button. Now, depending on which version you are looking at, the heart of this machine has undergone some significant surgery. For those looking at the standard gasoline model, the old 2.5-liter engine is gone. In its place is a new, far more sophisticated 1.5-liter turbocharged mild hybrid. This is a game-changer for the driving dynamics. You are getting torque that is available much lower in the rev range, meaning when you pull away from a stoplight or need to merge onto the highway, the power is right there, immediate and responsive. It feels lighter on its feet, more eager, and thanks to that mild hybrid system, it's sipping fuel with a level of efficiency that creates genuine peace of mind. But we have to talk about the plug-in hybrid, the PHEV. This has always been Mitsubishi's ace in the hole, but for 2026, they have widened the gap between them and the competition. They've upgraded the battery capacity to a massive 22.7 kilowatt hours. In the real world, this means you can do the vast majority of your daily driving, school runs, grocery trips, the commute, without ever burning a drop of gasoline. It effectively becomes an electric vehicle for your daily life and a limitless long-range cruiser for your weekends. And because of the dual electric motor setup, you get this instantaneous, silent surge of acceleration that makes highway passing effortless. This seamless blend of power is managed by the super all-wheel control system. This isn't just marketing speak, it is rally-bred technology. Whether you are navigating a rain-slicked highway, a gravel driveway, or a snowy mountain pass, the car is constantly thinking, shifting power between the wheels to keep you glued to the road. You feel a sense of confidence that is rare in this segment. The steering has been retuned to be sharper, and the suspension has been refined to soak up imperfections, giving you a ride quality that feels distinctively premium. And premium is really the operative word when you look at where you are sitting. The cabin of the 2026 Outlander is, frankly, a class above. Mitsubishi has leaned heavily into the concept of Omotenashi, Japanese hospitality. You see it in the available semi-aniline leather seats with that intricate quilting that looks like it belongs in a luxury European tourer. You feel it in the tactile click of the knobs and the soft touch materials on the dash. Everything you touch feels substantial. So, what is the verdict on the 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander? It is a vehicle that respects your money. It offers the aesthetic and tactile experience of a luxury car, the efficiency of a hybrid commuter, and the rugged capability of an off-roader, all in one cohesive package. It doesn't ask you to compromise style for practicality or performance for efficiency. It is a bold statement that you can, in fact, have it all.